A comprehensive overview of the Intellectual Enlightenment and Information War series of books by Alexious Fiero and HASE Fiero. Here's an analysis of the content. Overall purpose of the series. The series is presented as a modular Enlightenment curriculum and a defensive strategy library. Its primary goal is to prepare individuals and societies for the challenges of systemic automation and cognitive warfare, empowering them to actively shape a more just, transparent, and accountable society. Two main subseries. Intellectual Enlightenment series, authored by Alexious Fiero. Focus. This subseries aims to activate individual cognitive sovereignty, ethical alignment, and system-level design fluency. It seems to be more about the internal and constructive aspects of enlightenment. Sample titles mentioned Quantum Ascension, Intellectual Enlightenment, which implies the antidote is likely part of or closely related to this. The Colony Blueprint, From Product to Curator. Information War series, authored by HASE Fiero. Focus. This subseries diagnoses the mechanics, history, and emergent threats of cognitive warfare in digital societies. This appears to be the more analytical and problem-identifying part of the overall series. Sample titles mentioned: The Beginner's Guide to Information Warfare, The Information War, The Dark Enlightenment Unmasked, World War III, The Information War. Recurring themes: Cognitive sovereignty, a core concept across both series, emphasizing individual control over one's thoughts and perceptions. Ethical clarity, the importance of moral and ethical grounding in a technologically advanced and potentially manipulative world. Navigating complexity, providing tools and frameworks for understanding and responding to complex information landscapes. Defense against cognitive warfare, explicitly addressing the threats of disinformation, propaganda, and manipulation. Impact of technology on society, examining how technology shapes human behavior, governance, and societal structures. Curatorship versus consumption, shifting the role of the individual from passive consumer to active curator of information and reality. Systemic design, understanding how systems are built and how they can be redesigned for human flourishing. Authorship note, with implicit collaboration from Gemini, a collaborative or generative aspect to the creation of these works. In summary, the HASE.ai books page presents a highly thematic and interconnected series of books focused on intellectual self-defense, civic engagement, and the ethical evolution of society in response to modern digital and ideological challenges.